Saving is not just about saving money. It's about investing in your future and building a life of security and freedom. Alam mo guys, totoo yan. As long as marunong kayo mag-invest. Anyway, kung you are a kind of investor na conservative, mag-invest kayo sa MP2 kasi low risk yan. Kaso, low din ang ROI. Imagine yung 50,000 sa isang depositor within 5 years, 7,000 lang ang ROI. Pero low risk naman. If you are conservative, then go. Kung ikaw naman ay risk taker, so go kayo sa mga startup. Mag-invest kayo sa startup, small businesses like us. O, message lang na ako diha kung gusto mo invest sa among negosyong ginagmay. So if you are kind of aggressive pud nga investor, mag-invest mo cryptocurrency. Pero og gusto jud ka madato in a blink of an eye, invest mo og pyramid, madato jud dali diha.